8Fit Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering downloading the 8Fit app, watch this first. 8Fit is a fitness app that combines personalized workouts and meal planning to help you build healthy habits. It's marketed as an all-in-one tool for weight loss, muscle building, and improving overall health. But how well does it actually deliver on those promises? Let's break it down. The workouts in 8Fit are short, typically between 10 to 20 minutes, making it great for busy people or beginners who want to squeeze in quick exercises at home. The sessions focus on bodyweight exercises, so you don't need any equipment, which is a plus for those who don't have access to a gym. However, the workouts may feel too basic if you're already experienced with fitness routines. The app adapts to your fitness level over time, but it's best suited for beginners or those getting back into fitness after a long break. One of 8Fit's key features is the personalized meal plan. It creates a plan based on your dietary preferences and goals, whether that's weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance. The meal plans are detailed with ingredient lists and instructions. However, the recipes aren't always practical. Many users report that they're time-consuming or require ingredients that aren't easy to find. If you're someone who prefers quick, simple meals, this might feel like more of a hassle than a help. 8Fit also offers lifestyle guidance like mindfulness tips and habit-building suggestions to support your overall wellness. It aims to address both fitness and mental well-being, which is a unique touch compared to other fitness apps. But here's the catch. Most of the valuable content is locked behind a paywall. The free version of the app is extremely limited, and to get access to personalized plans, meal ideas, and progress tracking, you'll need to pay for the pro version. This can feel like a drawback, especially when many competing apps offer more robust free features. The app's design is sleek and user-friendly, and the workouts are easy to follow with video instructions. But there's no live coaching or community aspect, which could make it feel less engaging compared to apps like Freeletics or FitOn. So, who is 8Fit really for? It's ideal for beginners or casual users looking for a simple way to start building healthier habits without needing a gym membership. But if you're more advanced or looking for a free app with more features, this may not be the best fit. Overall, 8Fit is a decent option for those starting their fitness journey. Just be prepared to invest in the Pro plan for the full experience.